Hey everyone, welcome to Soap Trend. We hope that everybody is doing well. We have some exciting news to share with you all in today's video. In this video, we present you with a special dose of entertainment from our favorite TV series Heartland. Heartland is one of those projects that captures lightning in a bottle and it's a wonderful world of its own. So today we will be talking about a character Sam Langston who may possibly be the new love interest for Amy in Heartland season 15. So do watch this video till the end to know everything. Heartland is the show that mainly focuses on creating a nuanced portrait of a life on an Alberton horse ranch. It captured the charm of a multi-generational family by instantly amassing fans from around the world who claim the series has become their home and sanctuary. The show's lasting influence has not only brought families together but also healed and transformed the lives of many, including the cast and crew members. For the past 15 years, we have all watched and adored Heartland. From its plot to cast, everything about the show has been magical, with millions of fans worldwide enjoying it each year. As loyal Heartland fans for the last 15 years, all of us believe that the show has one of the best cast in the Canadian drama industry. We are not only talking about the main cast but also the ones who are recurring are great in delivering their roles as their acting can be felt through the screen. And one of those actors is Sean Roberts, who is playing the role of Sam Langston in Heartland. Sam Langston has been part of the longest running family drama for a while now. He has been starring on the show since 2019 and he is slowly becoming a fan favorite. He is a former baseball player who owns a ranch named Big River, which is near Heartland. He also has a good relationships with Flemings, but he has a very special relation with Amy. Although he often had a moderate role in the show, in which he always proved himself to be a reliable man of honor, we think that Sam Langston will have a greater part in the story from now on. Heartland was highly focused on the love story of Amy and Ty. When Ty died suddenly in season 14, the show was left with no big romance to continue the story. So our eyes are on a possible candidate which could replace Ty and be a good lover to Amy. So as for now, the strongest candidate for the part is Sam Langston. He has all great qualities to find in a man. He is handsome, successful, well-off and humble. So we believe he is a hidden gem of the show that should be discovered as a potential new boyfriend of Amy. Since Sam Langston started to be part of the show, he always had a close relationship with Amy. They were no besties by no means. However, their mutual respect and admiration for each other have always been so concrete that it is clearly visible. The two actors have a great chemistry together, which reached its peak point in the second episode of season 15. Their brief and touching interaction showed us that the two look great with each other and can seriously end up in a relationship. And all the Heartland fans would also like to see him replacing Ty, as he is the best candidate that we have right now in Heartland. So who is Sean Roberts, the actor who plays the role of Sam Langston in Heartland? Sean Roberts is a 37-year-old Canadian actor who has an interest in acting since his early school days. He was discovered while playing the Little Red Riding Hood in school, which enabled him to star in Emily of New Moon. After this, he climbed the stairs of fame step by step, playing the part of Dean Walton in one of the most loved Canadian TV shows, Degrassi, The Next Generation, has become the major hit that made him a household name in Canada. Then he started to star in the Hollywood movies, including Resident Evil Afterlife and Resident Evil Retribution, which made him an internationally known star. The actor is also well known for his heavily muscular body, and he said that he is inspired by the legend himself, Arnold Schwarzenegger. So this much for today's video. We hope you liked it. We will deliver more news of Heartland as it comes in. We will have all the burning Heartland spoilers, updates and news you're looking for. So visit us regularly. Thank you for checking this video out. We will see each other very soon with another video. If you like this video, give us a like and subscribe to our channel for new videos every day. If you have anything to say, do let us know in the comment section below. We'll make sure to reply to your comments.